Okay, so two ways to play a C over E slash chord. The first way is super simple. You're just going to play it just like a C major chord, but instead of 5 down, like you would with a regular C major chord, you're just going to strum 6 down. That adds that low E as a bass note, and that's the simplest way you can play a C over E slash chord. The second way is just to play it like this. And what you're going to do here is you're going to take finger 1, put it on fret 1, string 2, just like this. Then finger 2 is going to go fret 2, strings 1, 2, 3, 4, just like this. It's where if you played 5 down, you'd have an A minor 7. But we're not going to stop at the A minor 7. We're going to throw down pinky finger right here on string 1, fret 3, and then you're going to strum 4 down. So it's going to sound like this.